Welcome to Social Trading Server. This is Yellowfont from French Trading, a French trading forum. Today we are going to talk about the best performing Alpari PAMM accounts of the week. Let's go! Number 6. EM1 AGT with a return of more than 270%, ranking 27 in the Alpari website. The account age is 20 days. The risk level is maximum. The manager's capital is 18,000 GUR. The RUR is the Russian currency. The equity of the PAMM account is more than 129,000 GUR. The equity chart is growing and quite regular, although we can see that from here it seems that this trader has changed his trading system and taking a lot less trades. So now let's see how many investors are there here. There are only these investors, so it's less than 10 investors, with the biggest investors with a sum of more than 35,000 euros. Number 5. Handel Suture 2221 with a return of more than 640%, ranking 20, account age of almost 3 months. The risk level is maximum. The manager's capital is a little 300 euros and the equity of the fund is more than 2,000 euros. We can see an equity chart quite growing and quite stable. We could say that this trader is not taking a lot of positions. Now let's see how many investors have put their trust in this PAMM account. Only one investor here with a minimum sum of 50 euro. I think this is the minimum you can invest in PAMM accounts on Alpari. Number 4. Clip with a return of almost 900%, ranking 29 in the Alpari ranking. The account age is 4 months and a half. The risk level is maximum. The manager's capital is $1,000 and the equity of the fund is almost $7,000. The return chart is growing steadily and normally. We can see that there is maybe a little acceleration in the return here, so it's good. How many investors are there here? There are about 30 investors in this PAMM account, with the biggest investor with a sum of more than $1,000. Number 3. Choostable 8 with an enormous return of more than 1,500%, ranking 22, account age almost 7 months. The risk level maximum as usual. The manager's capital is $1,500 and the equity of the fund is almost $7,000. We can see a quite regular return chart until this point. From this point, this PAMM account is becoming more volatile, but in general still growing. So now how many investors are there here? There are more than 30 investors and the 10 biggest investors has put from a little more than $100 to $500. Number 2. Helm with a tremendous return of almost 4,000%, ranking number 10 in the Alpari ranking. The account age is more than 8 months. The risk level is maximum. The manager's capital is $2,000. The equity of the fund is almost $64,000, so it is a middle-sized account. We can see the equity chart is quite regular and growing, with a little acceleration at the end here. Now let's see how many investors are there here. There are more than 110 investors in this PAMM account, with the biggest investors with a cool investment of more than $12,000. The second more than $8,000 and the others with sums from a little more than $1,000 to a few $1,000. So I think these investors put a lot of trust in this PAMM account apparently. This is why his equity is cool. And finally, number 1. Toscana shines again, with a return of almost 15,000%. I said again 2 times because we have already seen this PAMM account in some previous videos. Ranking number 2 in the Alpari ranking. The account age is almost 8 months. The risk level is maximum as usual and I don't think it will change in the future. The manager's capital is more than 6,000 USDs and the equity of the fund is heading peacefully toward the $100 100,000 USDs mark. The equity of the fund is last week with a big dip here, and from this big dip a lot of volatility, but the fund is still growing. Now let's see how many investors are there here. Yes, we see that there are more than 560 investors. So I don't remember very accurately, but I think this PAMM account has gained about 10 investors from last week. So the biggest investors here has invested more than $2,000. The 10 biggest others has put around $1,000. So we can say that this PAMM account is continuing its growth and is gaining some new investors and posting some new gains too. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you found this useful, you can share it too. I will catch you next week. See you, bye bye.